This MacBook came in for no power, complete with a Fart Queen sticker. We discovered a massive liquid spill near the SSD area. The data was critical. First, we clean the contamination and reflow the main power chips. This ensures we get out 20 volts at startup. Then we examine and replace a failed SSD voltage regulator. We reball the replacement chip and install it on the board. This damaged chip could have easily killed the SSD. The final result, a board as clean as new. Let's test it. Success. Godspeed. Fart Queen.